Top 3 foods to prevent leg cramps in seniors. Strengthen your legs. Ever jolt awake at 3 a.m. with a leg cramp that feels like a vice grip? Or struggle with stiff muscles that make moving feel like a chore? You're not alone. But here's the good news. The right foods can be your secret weapon against cramps and keep your muscles strong. Today, we're revealing the top 3 superfoods every senior needs to stay mobile, cramp-free, and thriving. Let's dive in. First up, eggs. These aren't just breakfast staples. They're cramp-fighting ninjas. Packed with high-quality protein, eggs rebuild muscle fibers, fighting age-related muscle loss. But here's the kicker. They're loaded with vitamin D and B12. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium for strong muscles, while B12 keeps your nerves firing smoothly. Studies show seniors low in these nutrients get more cramps. 6 to 7 eggs a week is safe for most seniors. Pro tip, pair eggs with vitamin D-rich foods like salmon or fortified milk. And no, they won't wreck your cholesterol, science confirms it. Next, nature's perfect snack. Bananas. Low potassium? That's a recipe for cramps. Just one banana packs 12% of your daily potassium, plus magnesium to relax muscles. Potassium stops muscles from spasming, while magnesium acts like a mute button for cramps. Eat one before bed to dodge midnight Charley horses. Diabetic? Pair it with nuts to steady blood sugar. Finally, let's go nuts. These tiny giants are crammed with magnesium. 40% of your daily needs in just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds. They're also rich in healthy fats that boost circulation, so muscles get more oxygen. A handful a day keeps cramps away. Choose unsalted to avoid dehydration. So there you have it, eggs, bananas, and nuts. Your trio for stronger muscles and fewer cramps. Remember, small changes can bring big relief. If this helped, drop a comment with your go-to cramp remedy. Stay strong, stay mobile, and I'll see you in the next one.